Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu has reported from his father that the Prophet ﷺ was riding on his camel and a man was holding its nose string rein. He said, "What day is today?" We remained quiet, thinking that he might give it another name. He said, "Isn't it the day of Nahar, the day on which animals are slaughtered as a ritual?" We replied, "Yes, of course." He ﷺ said, "Which month is this?" We kept quiet, thinking that he might give it another name. He ﷺ said, "Isn't it month of Dhul Hajj?" We replied, "Yes, why not?" He said, "Your blood, your property, and your honor are as sacred to one another as the sanctity of this day of yours, the month of yours, and the city of yours." The present must convey to the absentees, because sometimes the present conveys something to such a person who retains it in a better way. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 67.